I'm G.
I'm M, and we are the Confused Viewers.
What are we watching today?
Well, I found this interesting anime.
Okay.
I was walking around at Barnes & Noble, and I was like, look through books, trying to get ideas, and I found this one called Food Wars.
Okay.
Food War, yeah, it's, I've heard, only thing I've heard about it is when people eat food in this, their clothes explode off them. Like, it's like Dragon Ball Z power-up explosions. So I'm excited.
Sounds amazing.
But ready to be very confused.
Okay, me too.
So I think we should start it up right now.
Yes. All right, 3, 2, 1, start.
All right, time for dinner.
Disgusting. Disgusting.
Well, that certainly was disgusting. All right. They don't go together at all. No. Oh, it's terrible. Ew.
Oh, that's gross.
It's real gross. So, is this show about a cook?
Well,
I guess.
I guess.
Dramatic pulling around head. That was not that big whenever he started. Eggs.
Ooh, that was good.
Nice. Lift those pans. Holy shit.
Wow.
That is a mound of food. Those fucking pecs, they're like, yes!
Guessing
It's a cooking battle.
Okay.
Oh, it's a cooking battle show. Oh my god.
Oh god, here we go. Here
Is
we
he
go.
like turning her on? That's like the wind flows through their underwear. Oh my god. Oh, my pectorals have won this battle yet again. Oh, it's his dad.
Oh.
They do not look alike.
No, they don't.
15.
Okay. It's like a rich 38.
38. Restaurant owner, man with large pectorals. Jeez. Do they do this every day?
Probably.
It looks like Gara.
189.
Where are the clothes exploding?
Just started, calm down. There
we go!
That's probably a taste of what we're gonna get.
Yeah, that looks like soft compared to what I've heard about this. Oh yeah. Oh, he's all sad. Look at that. He's in darkness. Oh, my food isn't as good as my father's. Oh. Did he poison it?
Yeah, Jesus.
Oh.
Oh, that's
You've been really crazy one. Okay. Never eat things made by this man. Look at that. Oh, it's just gross looking.
Yep,
There's the tentacles.
There it is. There it is.
Oh, look at that. Oh, God. We took a wrong turn in our lives right now. Oh my god. Yes. So far, this is fantastic.
This is awesome.
This is really good. I'm very confused though. So is this what like Japanese people think of Gordon Ramsay's TV shows? Maybe. Oh, his mistakes, don't you say? Ew. Oh. What is wrong with these two guys? The nastiest of ever divorces. They're devious.
Yeah.
Look at them. Peanut butter tentacles does not sound family appropriate. It sounds like a sexual position.
Okay.
What?
Okay.
It does.
Peanut butter.
The peanut butter tentacle.
I can see Stan Smith doing something like that.
Oh, I know. Let's not bring it up. Yes. Knife. Tie that thing around your head and cook. I guess that's what that means. What? That was a
That
chainsaw.
was a chainsaw.
I'm very confused about why a chainsaw is in a cooking show.
Well,
Maybe there's a lumberjack in it.
maybe they.
Japanese lumberjacks, samurai who love the trees. Oh god. Yeah, cook that shit.
Ooh, that's Gordon Ramsay right there.
Yeah,
There's
that's Japanese Gordon Ramsay. Whoa! You are terrible! Cut that lettuce and that cabbage. Fork! This is really interesting because it's just weird.
We don't even have Japanese cooking.
I've never seen cooking look so amazing.
I know, right?
So epic. This is the thing about anime that makes everything it's about amazing.
Yes.
Just like, have you ever watched? It's like Prince of Tennis,
Okay.
where it's just like snake shot. Boom.
Yeah,
This
the
is
big tennis
this is like I'm putting garlic in it. Like, it sounds amazing.
The only one I can't watch is the football one.
Oh,
They
Eye
ruined
Shield
it.
21 or something.
They
like that?
ruined it. I watched the first episode and ruined it for me.
Okay.
I was like, nope, not learning football for me.
That's what she said.
Oh, stuff. Thanks for the meal. Thank you for coming.
Oh god, they're terrible people. So when I picked the book up, I read to like this part
Okay.
in the book, which is where the crazy stuff starts happening. I think.
Okay, cool.
It's
close to the book.
So far from what I looked at like 10 pages. Like, no, I can't read anymore.
そしたらもっと料理の修行ができる
He's in middle school. Goddamn.
一日も早く親父を超え
Yes. As his underwear flows gracefully in the wind. Like sunshine.
That's the apron, I think.
Shut up. It's funnier if it's underwear.
るいらっしゃい
Oh.
ごめんください。
Health inspectors.
That's what I'm
The
thinking.
bane of cooks.
お邪魔してしまい恐縮です。
Please be health
アー
inspectors.
バンライフプランナーの峰ヶ崎です。
What's it?
That's
That's what an urban life planner is.
今
Tits.
日のおすすめは
In a short
金目鯛
skirt.
のお作り
思いまして、
Okay.
ガーデンレジデンスをコンセプトにしたコンフォタブル
So I guess she wants to buy-
She wants to buy it.
She wants to buy it, yeah. Maybe his dad's like,
あんたら
we're
知らない
gonna sell out. It's like, no, we can't sell out. Or something like
この
that.
間も聞いたよ
名刺を置いていきますので、いつでもご連絡ください。
My card in defense
しかし
mode.
Shut up.
小規模の店舗経営はますます厳しくなるでしょう。
That's bad.
毎日の仕入れに頭を抱える店も多いと聞きます。
They
う
do.
ちはそんなことないっすよ
そうなんですか？
雪平は責任を持ってお客様の望む品を提供します
I did have time to read all that. I'm guessing it was just meat.
Yeah.
Okay, just meat.
けれど、
Meat.
客
Good.
が求める
Yes.
料理を出せなかったら
You can't
ど
serve
ういう
it.
形で責任を取るの
How
か
you
し
take
ら？
responsibility.
They're gonna sabotage that.
My card is still in defense mode. So I pick it up gingerly.
廃校でもなんで
It
も
doesn't go off. Oh,
Yeah,
dude!
burn that shit.
That is a literal
二
burn.
言はありませんね。
That's awesome.
あ
Shit's gonna go down.
Throw the salt! Throw the salt!
No, that'd be a waste.
Get the bitch out of here! That's fantastic. Oh, Mayusa! Ooh. Pigeons. Grill them up for dinner. It's a cooking show.
I know.
So it looks like they're in middle school from what I saw.
Yeah, they're 15. They have to be.
Okay.
いや
Or,
He
or
already,
like
and he
freshmen in high
doesn't,
school.
and he doesn't want to go to high school. He just wants to cook.
Is that what he said?
I guess so. It's what I was like skimming by and trying to be funny.
Yeah, he'd probably rather drop out of school and just cook.
分かった
Which wouldn't be a bad thing considering his restaurant's probably the most popular in this
Yeah, I
town.
know. Yeah. Oh, his dad sold out.
店で料理の修
Huh?
行
I think his dad just sold out.
Sold out.
Yeah, I think he like sold the restaurant.
Oh
何
no.
だったんだていうか
He might have to go to
あ
cooking
の
school
店の
then.
店を
He opens up his own.
That's, I mean, that's why like the end goal.
He said he
like,
closed it for the day.
Yeah.
He just said for the day.
考えてみると俺は
He's burning some shit over there. Oh, that's the smoke. Like the wall was the smoke. It looked like he was burning everything.
Oh god.
What?
Oh,
The salt is ruined.
冷蔵庫
they
が
went and
Dude,
sabotaged
Jesus,
it.
yeah.
空き巣いやこんな
Yes,
人
a
いねえだろ
burglar. Whoa, I'm gonna take all the food. Woo.
Those planners took it.
Yeah.
They did all that.
Big tit bitch. Oh, they came on it.
昨日より景観が整って見えるわね。目障りな看板が隠れてたのかしら。
Is this legal?
ああ、なんだか肉が食べたい気分。
Not really.
I don't get it.
私がいつも六本木で食べてる。
They broke into the restaurant
And
and
did that.
vandalized.
Wow.
ジュース
jerks.
の肉汁が口の中に溢れ出して
That is bad.
That is really
I
bad.
have bad dirty mind.
ねえ僕、一品作ってよ。
Oh,
と
oh
び
my.
きり
She likes it
ジューシ
juicy.
ーなお肉で
Juicy.
あら、まさか作れないの？お客がお肉を望んでるわよ。
She's asking for meat. There's so many bad double entendres going on right
言った
now.
わよね。料理を出せなかったら廃業するって。
I'm pretty sure if you
看板
can't
もす
serve
っ
one
きりしたこ
customer,
と
you're
だし、
fine.
ちょうどいいわ。
Just.
お店自体もすっきり
Well, this just is like this is classic, super like dramatic anime. It's one person cannot be fed. Close now.
Yeah, really.
ジューシーな肉料理
Juicy.
Douche.
注文は以上だな
Excuse me?
二度とこの店に立ち入らない
Food tornado. No.
If anybody actually did that, they'd be like, "The fuck is going on?" Like, you're a weird individual. Win.
He's ready for battle.
I know. Well, he is battle. He's in a food battle.
勝負だ
Yep. Food
Yeah,
battle's
food
on.
battle. Yes. Yep.
Is he gonna cook or anything if everything's in the fridge is destroyed?
He'll find a way.
You guys see what?
Oh.
I knew they were gonna make it this epic. I
Yeah,
like
it's
it.
like super montage of cutting food and.
I have to get food after this episode.
Oh yeah, I totally agree with that. That's cool. We should go get something to
I'm
eat.
hungry.
This is really making me
Can
hungry.
we go to Japan and get some of this food from here?
No, we cannot.
But we're like 10 minutes away.
No, we're not. We are in America. That's like 10 hours away. If not, like 2 days. Just beat the shit out of those potatoes.
通
Wait.
り冷蔵庫の中身を。
はい
Oh, there's my
肉を
answer
一
with
つ
that
残ら
question.
ず潰しました
Oh my god.
お題
He had like one bag of food, I think.
Huh?
I think he had one bag of
食
food
材もな
left.
し
Yeah.
一体
How
何
do you
を
make it without decent ingredients? That was a terrible shot. Oh god.
Oh, okay.
I'm guessing he's making like his dinner for them.
Maybe, yeah. Oh, cooking wine.
Yeah. Is a 15-year-old allowed to use wine in cooking? Like, I know they're not. They can't say like serve it. Can you use it in cooking?
Yeah, I think so, because
'Cause it's part of his
you
job.
cook all the alcohol out of it.
Okay. Pork roaster.
お答えするよ
Way to
こ
get
れは
like
じゃがいも
saliva.
明日の朝飯用の厚切りベーコンを巻いたなんちゃってローストポークだ
It's gotcha pork roast. It's potatoes wrapped in bacon.
ロースト
That's a great idea.
まずジャガをふかしてだな
Yes, this is the part I was told about.
もうネゴシエーションの余地はない。この店を明け渡しなさい。
No.
に
Why?
成功した料理人はね、失敗作。
God, she's a bitch. Like, there's no two ways about it. She is just terrible.
He hasn't even tasted it yet.
I know.
雪平に価値がないかどうかも
This one dish will tell you whether I'm good at cooking or I'm terrible at it. There could be squid filled with peanut butter in here, just to fun.
In the middle of it.
Yeah.
Dude, I'll eat a bacon wrapped pork roast any day.
Well, it's not pork, he said. He said it was potatoes.
Oh, that's right.
So it's bacon wrapped potatoes. That sounds amazing.
Oh,
Look, she's getting turned on by the food.
yeah. She's already hot.
Oh. Pick it up. Oh, she did it. Fucking Men in Black over here just watching.
Oh, pork roast.
Oh, pork roast. That looks really good. Where'd his eyes go?
Dude, this is like Yu-Gi-Oh! Intense.
I
with
know.
the cooking.
Oh, eat it.
Oh.
Eat it.
Oh.
Yes, this is what I heard about. This right here. Oh, bacon! Oh, food! Wait for it. Oh my god. Oh my god.
うまそうに味わってんな。
Oh, I was hoping for the book explosion of
あんたがバカに
clothing.
した店の料理だぜ。じゃがいもをホクホクにふかしたものに油を吸いやすい
Potato.
それに
Mushroom.
甘みを増す玉ねぎを刻んで
Onion.
練り込んだ。それに厚切りベーコンをぐるりと巻
This
き
is getting really good looking. I
オ
want to
ー
eat
ブンで
now.
じっくり焼き上げる。ベーコンは外側
Kite
が
string.
カリカリになり
He didn't even use regular string, he used kite
じ
string.
ゃがいも焼き残す
whatever.
豚のうまみと油をすべて吸って受け止める。
Oh. Umami, which umami is a word in Japanese that we don't have in
Oh,
English. It means like very delicious food.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
中はジューシ
Yeah,
ーな
umami.
官能的な食感が生まれ
It's
る。
it's the next sentence actually. It's like I forget what it is. It's, yeah.
昔
Pretty weird.
客に出す
Look at her. Oh my god.
She's like ah.
盛り
She's like
付けに
squirming.
別の料理の肉汁がポテトに染みちまった。そこからこの料理を
My mouth is watering. Like I'm really hungry right now. We're not gonna get food this good in this video somewhere.
何よ
Oh.
こんなもの肉料理で
Can't
は
call
呼べ
this a
ない
meat
わ
dish. There's bacon in it. But my fork is going up.
But I can't stop eating it.
It's just like the arbitrary tip.
Want to taste more meat juice? Oh, I bet you do, darling.
Oh, what a jerk.
続きを食いた
He
い
just Charlie Browned her
I
so
know.
bad.
二度とこの店を狙いませんとな。仕方ない。この料理
Throw
は
it away. That's what I'm gonna think. That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah, he's gonna throw it away.
あ
What a crazy 15-year-old boy. When I was 15, I was throwing rocks at cars. I wasn't doing this nonsense. I just stepped into a porno.
Yeah, really.
That line. What?
There's my food tornado.
Yep, there's that looks like Yu-Gi-Oh.
Yeah.
It's like I play this card in attack mode.
I play bacon wrapped potatoes in attack mode.
It's super effective. This is it.
Oh my god.
Down the tunnel. There it is. Yes. Oh my god, the whole episode was leading up to that nonsense. Look at it. Look at their crotches. I have nothing to say about this.
I have
That
no
is
words.
amazing.
I have no words.
And then the sun shines down upon his victory. He just knocked them out with food. Like,
おそ松
oh my god.
Hope you liked it.
Oh my god, it's not over? Oh god, it's not over. Yes!
6 minutes left. 6 minutes left.
That's awesome. I think it's the happiest I've been watching. I know I've said that pretty much in every single episode we've done.
Yeah.
This one is my top so far. This
is
one,
amazing.
and then Power Rangers.
Yes.
雪平は俺の料理を極めるため
Oh,
の城なん
and
だ
take this castle for
I'm thinking every episode he's gonna make some other amazing dish. It's
Yeah,
gonna
and, like, blow
just
clothes
blow
off.
people away.
Yeah.
Exactly. So
よし
bad.
何かあったみたいだな。
大したことじゃねえよ
Nothing
ちょ
important.
っと無礼なお客がいらした
I said I had a rude customer that I blew her clothes off and made all the men with her spew meat juices out of their crotches.
そうな。2、3年この店閉めるわ。
2 or 3 years?
まああれだな。常連客のみんなに嫌がんねえだな。
Just, yeah, I'm gonna fucking close it.
昔の仲間から一緒に
Yeah,
仕
another
事しない
2-3 years
かって誘
Yeah,
われて
so
ね。
they close it. They're going on like hiatus,
当
I
分そっ
guess.
ちで厄介になるから。
So he's just leaving his son. Just
He's gonna make.
leaving
Well,
his
he's gonna
son.
open up his new restaurant. Then.
Or I'm guessing he's going to culinary school.
maybe.
That it's probably his like rising up through the
So
culinary.
he said he will close it right now for 2 or 3 years, or he's closing it in 3 years.
No, he is closing it now for
Okay.
two or 3 years, but he works with a partner.
Okay, I missed that then.
ずっとこの店で
I'll run the restaurant. I will run the restaurant.
Oh, it's so nice. Father son moment.
そうだ
For you to
て
go.
めえの器を測ってこい
I guess he wants to teach him out in the real world. He wants to make a man out of him.
Yeah.
俺が
Man!
Cookie school.
Good.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah. Okay. You got
This
it.
is what Zach Tolton would do if he was
Oh,
yeah.
Japanese.
Yes.
Zach's our friend who's a cook, by the way.
その学校なら高校課程の単位も取れるしなま3年間勉強してこいや
And then he comes back, he'll be ready for the restaurant. That makes sense. Okay,
Yeah.
this makes sense, honestly.
Yeah.
金払って料理習うなんてアホだし
Getting
Duh.
to learn how to cook soup.
どうせこんなんだろ
はい今日はお手軽にできる一品を
Oh!
はい先生ギャー請求して落ちた
Everybody has the same car.
1000万でも2000万で
Well,
も
the men in black are back.
息子の
Yes,
Is this a culinary school? Like, this looks like this looks like the school from Kill la Kill.
Yeah, it does.
Gitsu Tea House Culinary Academy.
言ってなかったっけ
Oh, I didn't tell you.
そこは日本屈指の料理学校
Ooh.
Nice.
達率
Oh my
10%
god.
以下の
Oh, less than
超
10.
絶エリート
Okay, I'm excited. I think we should keep watching this.
I'm gonna watch more of this.
Yes, I am too. All right.
Oh, that was so good.
That was awesome.
That was really good.
All right. Final thoughts.
That was awesome.
Fantastic.
Yes, I've never seen an anime like that before. Like,
It's-
it's never been about food. I've never seen that.
It's such a Japanese thing that anime make everything better. Like it makes
Yeah.
everything more epic, more exciting, more crazy.
Yeah, like-
This took it to the extreme with exploding clothing.
Yes.
But still made it so awesome.
I've
that-
never seen an anime take food so
Yeah.
seriously.
We're gonna have to do another episode on this show.
I think
because
we-
it's
I think we do.
So good.
Yeah, I think we'll have to do episode 2 next time.
I am a little confused though. Are you still a little confused?
A little confused,
Okay.
but I like it.
I think I'm more confused
I like
on where I'm gonna get lunch today.
Yeah, me too. Honestly, I'm ready to go get. We're gonna go get food, so we'll see you later. Bye.